Hello, how to solve for s in this equation? 4 raised to power x is equal to 50. Solution. Then here we have 4 raised to power x is equal to 50. Let us take the log on both sides of this equation. Log 4 raised to power s is equal to log 50. Now take note of this, that if you have log a raised to power b, this is equal to b log a. If you have log b raised to power c, this is equal to c log b. Then this can be written as s log 4 is equal to log 50. Now 50 is equal to 25 multiplied by 2. Then here let us divide both sides of this equation by log 4. This divided by log 4. This log 4 cancel this log 4. S is equal to log 50 divided by log 4. And this can be written as log 25 multiplied by 2 divided by log 4. Then s is equal to, if you have log a b, this is equal to log a plus log b. And here we have log 25 plus log 2 is divided by log 4, and this is divided by log 4. Take note of this, that if you have 25, this is equal to 5 square, and if you have 4, this is equal to 2 square. Here we have x is equal to log 25 over log 4 is 2 square, plus here is log 2 over log 4 is log 2 square. Then s is equal to log 5 square over log 2 square plus log 2 over log 2 square. And this is the same thing as 2 log 5 over 2 log 2 plus log 2 over 2 log 2. These two cancel these two. Log 2 cancel log 2. S is equal to log 5 over log 2 plus 1 over 2. Then if you have log a over log b, this is equal to log a base b. X is equal to 1 over 2 plus log 5 base 2. This is the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 4 raised to power s is equal to 50. when x is equal to 1 over 2 plus log 5 base 2. Then this is 4 raised to power 1 over 2 plus log 5 base 2 must be equal to 50. Now, this can be written as 2 raised to power 2 bracket 1 over 2 plus log 5 base 2 must be equal to 50. Now here, if you open the bracket, we have 2 raised to power 2 over 2 plus 2 log 5 base 2 must be equal to 50. Now this cancel this. And if you have a raised to power m plus n, this is equal to a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n. Then here we have 2 raised to power 1 multiplied by 2 raised to power 2 log 5 base 2 must be equal to 50. And this is 2 multiplied by 2 raised to power, this can be written as log 5 square base 2 must be equal to 50. And here we have 2 multiplied by 2 raised to power log 5 square, that is 25 base 2 must be equal to 50. Then if you have a raised to power log c base a, this is equal to c. Then this can be written as 2 multiplied by the whole of this is 25 must be equal to 50. Then 25 multiplied by 2, this is 50, is equal to 50, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.